Hey YouTube friends, over the next 38 days I'll be car camping out of my Model 3 all over Europe. That's 1 month and 8 full days. And without any further ado, let's get started. We had to cut it short because we only have 38 days. So we're now planning to go just through Central European countries. So Germany, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Hungary, Austria, Switzerland, Croatia, Italy, France, Spain, Portugal, and back home. And you can see by the hearts here I have, we picked really nice camping spots. Actually, we tried to choose, it's randomly Googled online for the best camping spots out there. So I bought an Alpine Camping Taurus 4 tent. It's really well designed with a nice rank fly and nice windows for fresh air to come through, a Coleman sleeping bag, a double sleeping bag for me and wifey.
These are really nice because you can wash them really easily. They're compact. These are also quite cool. You can warm them up. The rope, I bought it, not sure why, 10 meters, but it's going to be useful. The life hammer, it can cut through seat belts and break glass in case you get stuck in the car. Then 4-meter long towing rope. It's flexible, so that's nice. Then I got myself a jack, 2-ton jack. Maybe I won't need it, I hope I will not. Fire extinguisher, charging cables, and some rope, and then a 12-volt battery tire inflator. Why not? I used it a couple times. And this is just for floating around on lakes and stuff. And the seats, or the chairs, are very good. I like them.
One extra thing I'm proud of is that we didn't buy a big camping stove that weighs about 30 kilos and takes space in the car, but instead we got these mini but really powerful small camping thingies. It's very easy to stick on, it's very easy to power, it's very easy to shut down, and it also works really well. And I went full Marie Kondo style on it. I put all the cookware in its own transparent box with all the spices. Oh, this is homegrown, but this is really good. And then the camping gas, its own box. Food that we just will use for camping. Then a larger one with all our tents and the inflatable mattress, the flashlight I bought, the tarp, the rope. And then I think one extra one with clothing, so that's about it. And here are all of those boxes packed inside the trunk and the trunk of the Model 3. I do feel pretty proud, and before I start typing, I do know camping gas is dangerous and I have to move it in deeper inside the car, although it's safe to transport. And once we arrived at the park, listen to what you could hear. If you'd like to meet us, or if you own a Model 3, or if you simply know a place that we shouldn't miss through all the countries that we're going through, please let us know in the comments and please subscribe. I'll share a video for virtually every day of our 38-day road trip. Enjoy!